Are you looking for a fun art project to do while you're stuck at home and you don't want to waste a lot of money? Hey, I'm right there with you. I'm going to show you how to make these awesome cardboard flowers that are really easy, really fun, and guess what? They're probably already at your house. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you to help you with your creative adventures. First time here, need a little bit of inspiration or perhaps hand holding? Don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. Guess what? I'm always a sucker for free. Free food, free booze, and free art projects. And you probably have one being delivered to your house during this quarantine time all the time and you're not noticing it. Whenever you get any Amazon box that's delivered to you, when you uncut the flaps on the inside, you will see that there's these little art projects that you can do that's called More Than a Box. And for this project here, I'm gonna show you a cool one that basically shows you how to make these little cardboard flowers that you can cut out and paint to make really cool little, deco art for your house that's gonna look, a little urban, but also a little chic to some point. I'm using words, I don't know exactly what they mean, but hey, it's a free art project, so let's give it a shot and let me show you how you do it. I'm pretty sure deco art isn't the right term, so let's just not bring that up. Never use the term deco or chic in my life. First time for everything. Most of these art projects are pretty straightforward. For these cardboard flowers, essentially, all you gotta do is just cut out the stencil that they give you on the cardboard. Now, an X-Acto knife works really good for this because some of the tighter spots you gotta really cut into, but hey, any pair of scissors will work just fine. Just follow along the dotted lines here and cut out to the proper shapes that it wants. When everything's all cut out and said and done, hey, pull out some basic acrylic paints. If you want to prime the cardboard with like gesso, you can. It's not needed. Just have some fun with it and really bring the flowers to life by adding some different variants of colors. Remember to add some light and some dark so that way it gives you a fun 3D effect. When everything's painted and dried out for you, all you got to do is just assemble your flowers. Now, when you assemble them, if you want to keep them around for a long time, I'd probably recommend gluing the pieces together. And just to let you know, some of the flowers, they're like my favorite part of a woman, a little top heavy, so they're gonna fall over, which is why I would recommend gluing something heavy towards the bottom. Hey, you can do something like a washer or penny or nickel or whatever you got lying around, or heck, you could probably even glue them to a loose piece of cardboard or wood. These are actually a really fun, relaxing project to do if you're by yourself or stuck inside with a few people, or hey, even great to do along with your kids. They're really, really fun, and I found it actually relaxing. So thanks to Amazon for, pointing out this little project and keeping us more or less sane at home, because now I've got actual flowers that won't die on me. Being a single man is tough to impress around with decorating your house. Now, if you like this type of video and you want me to do some more creative corner kind of content or, fun little projects that you can do at home by yourself or with your kids, hey, I'll take a look to see what I have lying around or something that would be really fun for you to experiment with, because that's the fun part about doing creative. Experimenting and seeing where your creative juices come from and can flow to. It sounded weird, a little naughty, but who cares? We'll move on. Until then, I'm gonna put a video here to the side that's gonna help you out with some painting tips that'll get you a head start for when you dip back into those landscapes or wet on wet. Until then, everybody, please stay safe, wash your hands, do something else. Didn't think this ending through, but until next time, I will see you all later. Take care, and of course, peace. God, endings are tough. It's all right, we can fix it in post, I think.